Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the scapular circumflex vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The scapular circumflex vein is located in each of the shoulder regions. If we take a closer look at the veins on the anterior view of the right shoulder region, we can see the scapular circumflex vein highlighted in red. If we also take a closer look at the veins on the posterior view of the shoulder region, we can again see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein consists of two main branches. One of these branches originates from several smaller veins located within the infraspinous fossa region. The infraspinous fossa is an area where there is a depression of the posterior surface of the scapular bone, as seen here highlighted in yellow. The other branch originates from an anastomosis with the suprascapular vein, seen here highlighted in blue. What is the course of this vein? The branches of this vein run inferolaterally where they unite to form a single branch that continues to run laterally. This vein ends by uniting with the thoracodorsal vein, which can be seen here highlighted in yellow. This union forms the subscapular vein, which can be seen here highlighted in blue. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the infraspinous fossa region of the back. From here, the blood drains into the subscapular vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the scapular circumflex vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.